hindi nyo na siguro inaabot ito. Yung panday na posters before, pinipaint ito sa malaking canvas. Then ito nilalagay na tarpaulin ng araw, hindi pa printed. So hand-painted po ito. So gagawa rin tayo nito sa EDSA. Yung iba't ibang MMFF movies na ganito pa yung posters ay ating i-replicate sa EDSA. Para, again, nostalgic yan. Pag dumadaan ka sa EDSA, makaalala mo yung mga childhood movies na favorite mo noong araw.
We're very grateful for the generosity and trust of MMDA. This program really symbolizes our shared commitment in using creativity to enhance our public spaces. And the artworks of our students will showcase not only their skills, but the Filipino life, community, and the creativity that Filipino creatives really manifest.